اهلا بيكم في سي في وار تريدنج روم. النهارده الخميس 16 جون 2022. هناخد النهارده اول تريد 8:30 in the morning news. We have the housing report news coming in a minute, and we see market actually after the Fed yesterday push higher and do the trap, or it's called the vacuum, and then this pre-market market flushed down almost 2% RTY. So we're waiting for this news to see what's going to happen. And that's it. We're waiting. We have almost 30 seconds. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, 15 seconds to go. We're going to take a one trade, either long or short. Let's see. I think the market is going to recover from this gap down the market, and we are now waiting for the news. And I think let's see what's going to happen. Market start moving now. And I think it's going to be positive news. Yeah, and we're going to do buy stop limit at 1702.2. 1702.2 buy stop limit. 1702.2. And we can cancel it or short. We got another short signal. But let's see. Market's not reacting big time on this news. Let's see. And we're gonna wait for 4 minutes. If there is no signal within the 4 minutes, when the first 5-minute window, we're done. No trades. So we have 4 minutes. If we didn't get any setup, we're done. And then gonna wait to trade 9:30 AM. Still waiting. See if we have a short signal or no. I don't know. Yeah, 3 minutes anyway. So if we got a short signal, we'll take short. I'm gonna move my entry a bit higher, vortex above this pivot, just to be safe side. Very slow price action. Two minutes, actually 1 minute and 15 seconds. If we're not gonna signal, we are closing this trade, and no more trade at 9:30 today. And by the way, there is no more trade tomorrow, 9:30, because I trade 8:30 only if the news. I trade 8:30 in the morning لو بس في اخبار في news بكاتاليست. No news, no trade. 8:30, just 8:30. But we'll trade our normal hours, which is going to be 9:30 open, 2 p.m. and then the 3:30 p.m. the vacuum hour. I call it the vacuum hour. So I call the 2 p.m. the zombie hour, and the 4 p.m. I call it the vacuum hour. I think the market can hit a bit of our entry. You know, we maybe get a bit more because I think the market can hit a bit. I think so. Yeah. Let's see. Didn't. Pivot again. Same pivot. See, same pivot. Market is ranging between this line and this line. If we break it, it will go one direction. And we are in the trade. We are in the trade. We're gonna move our stop loss a little bit lower. Actually, we're in the trade in the exact 5 minutes. Move our stop loss at 1997.1. Actually, 1997.2. And we are waiting. We're gonna trail the first contract only. Now I'm gonna put this first contract reduce risk at 1689.4. 1689.4. Actually, I'm gonna add it a little bit reduce risk now. I'm gonna add it now at 1699.1. This is our first contract. And again, the second contract, I put the same 1699.1. Market going toward our entry, our profit target for the first contract. Let's see. I'm gonna keep trailing the first and second. Gonna be at now the both of them gonna be at 1699.6. 1699.6. Let's see. Yeah, hit it by the tick, man. By the tick. Still waiting. Slow price action. The market hit this low again. I'm gonna add the second one. I'm gonna add second one break even now. So reduce risk. I don't need to risk more because my market rejecting this area here. So I'm gonna add the second one break even. I'm gonna trail the first one now at 1700.0. So I'm gonna reduce my risk. Actually, I'm gonna add it at the first one at 1701.7. I'll give it some room. 1701.7. Give it some room. Why not? Give it some room. And we are still waiting. Trading like fishing. You have to wait, you have to be patient, stick with your rules. Someone tell me, okay, why don't exit now? Because this is not my rule. If I exit now, right, how do I know this is gonna be winning like 10 points trade? No, if I exit every trade at 2 points, 1 point, and keep the losing trade at the end, which normally most traders do, you're gonna lose money over time. So you have to stick with your rules. Second. I'm gonna add the first contract now at 1701.5. 1701.5. Just to see what's gonna happen. Very slow price action. Actually, the housing report was bad, actually. It was bad. It was 1.549 million, and the forecast was 1.69. So the report actually was not good. But again, we don't know how the market reacts. Sometimes the market reacts negative, sometimes positive. We don't know. I think first contract gonna hit stop loss.
Stop filled.
First contract hit stop loss. And we are waiting for the second contract. We see what's gonna happen. We lost in this one first contract. 1 second. Let's see. First contract, we lost almost 7 ticks. 7 ticks, not big deal. 7 ticks, just less than 1 point. We're still holding for the second one. If the market pivot, I'm going to move my stop loss 4 ticks below. This pivot here, the market pivot, I'll move it 4 ticks. If not, I will keep my stop loss at the same, and I think it will hit the stop loss, I think. Yeah, hit the stop loss. So we lost the second contract, and we lost. We lost 2.3. So minus 2.3. So we lost 3 points in this 8:30 very slow trade. You know, I mean, not bad. To lose 3 points for 8 morning, but you know, 8:30 in the morning is doing so well so far. The last 3 days, and if it's 1 day you're losing 3 points, no big deal. And that's it for 8:30 in the morning. See you at 9:30 a.m.